because we only get this, a couple months of the year, and tropical systems have different dynamics than our systems that we get all the rest of the year. And we've been watching this system, and we really watch the eye of the storm in order to tell how healthy it is or how weak it is. As of this afternoon, there's been 3 little spirals inside what should be just one spiral. This thing is having a hard time organizing. It's still tropical storm. You can see the winds sustained at 65 miles per hour. To be hurricane status, Cat 1 status, you have to hit 74. So we're in the upper range of the tropical storm category. Could we try to hit hurricane status? It's possible, but it'd be right there on the edge. To be honest, from now till 74 miles per hour, there's really not much of a difference, and it's just kind of what it goes down in history as. But this system is having a hard time strengthening, so that is some good news, and one reason why is how close it is to the Texas coast. I want to zoom in a little bit closer for you guys. Lots of heavy rain on the east and north side coming inland now. They're expecting some flash flooding right along the coast from Galveston into the Houston area. Want to take off the radar and satellite, we can take a look at a couple more things. Tropical storm watches and warnings out in effect right now for the storm surge that could be up to 3 to 5 feet. So there are some more flooding concerns just along the coast. But this thing, when you expand the view and look at the track, notice how it just kind of takes a right-hand turn. It heads towards the east. The reason why, there's actually a little bit more of a system just towards the north of Arkansas and Missouri. There's a little bit of a front. And as this tries to lift towards the north, that front is blocking it. It has nowhere to go except east now. So it's just going to kind of meander its way into Louisiana and eventually into Mississippi. That means for us, most of the rain will also be farther towards the south. You can see just on the periphery, we've got extra showers and a few rumbles of thunder, just thanks to all the humidity that this thing is bringing on shore. So we're going to have that part of the system for the next couple of days, but not really all that heavy rain. When we take a look at the rainfall projections, notice how most of those bright colors showing you the very heavy rainfall stays along the coast. Lots of folks will be getting over 5 inches in eastern Texas and western Louisiana, but then you look towards Arkansas and Oklahoma, maybe a 1/4 of an inch over the course of 3 days. It's not a lot of rain, but it's going to be a lot of humidity. We'll have that humidity pretty much all week. So we're trying to squeeze out as many showers as we can, but it's not going to be a lot. Don't expect a bunch of rain headed our way. Expect most of the time we're going to be dry this week with maybe a stray shower. Right now we're near